CRISPR recovery. Why pro athletes just quit ice baths? Professional athletes are not broadly shifting from ice baths to CRISPR for recovery, rather, they are re-evaluating ice baths due to scientific evidence that they may actually. While CRISPR gene editing is a topic of intense discussion in sports, it is currently categorized as and is strictly banned by the move away from ice baths. The ritual of the ice bath is being replaced or more carefully timed because reduced hypertrophy. Immersing in cold water immediately after resistance training can decrease muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%, effectively icing away the gains from a workout. Interference with inflammation. Research shows that post-training inflammation is a beneficial healing adaptation necessary for long-term muscle and tissue repair. Strategic use. Many elite athletes now only use ice baths during congested competition phases, like tournaments where short-term pain relief is more important than long-term building. Why CRISPR is not a practical alternative yet? While CRISPR-based gene editing could theoretically enhance muscle regeneration or endurance, it faces massive barriers. WADA ban. CRISPR-mediated DNA modification is classified as gene doping, which carries severe penalties and disqualification. Health risks. CRISPR technology carries risks of off-target effects, where unintended parts of the genome are edited, potentially leading to long-term health complications. Detection technology. New testing methods are being developed to detect exogenous proteins like SOS9 in an athlete's plasma, making it increasingly difficult to use undetected. What athletes are actually using instead? Rather than gene editing, pros are turning to other high-tech and natural recovery methods. Active recovery. Low-stress movement that increases blood flow to flush metabolic waste without the cold shock. Stem cell therapy. Athletes like LeBron James and Cristiano Ronaldo have reportedly used stem cell storage and injections to repair joint and ligament damage. Clay therapy. Some athletes have switched to French green clay as a topical alternative to manage inflammation without the systemic shutdown of an ice bath.